Hi guys, and welcome to this video showing how I manage my silk press. Not that I'm an expert or I have any experience on this. This is all experimental, so if you'd like to see how the experiment goes, yeah, then keep watching. That's what this video will be about. I'm 2 days into my silk press, and yeah, after the first full day I just wrapped it up and it wasn't the best wrap and it was really difficult. I think partly because of the length of my hair, and so this is me unraveling it for the first time, and yeah, let's see how that looks. So that's the back, and I tried to wrap my whole hair around, but yeah, some of it was a mess. I feel like the front of my hair here was slightly exposed from the scarf. It's not as straight, but yeah, just taking out the pins. I had to use some pins because I couldn't really get the hair to stay. Yeah, so I had a center part, but as I was wrapping, okay, one more pin. Yeah, I'm wearing the hoodie. It's not the best. Yeah, but that's what my hair looks like. Yeah, so I did a wrap method because I wanted like my hair to still be straight. I didn't want curls. Some of the options I saw involved like using flexi rods, or sort of rolling your hair, or doing like a finger roll. And I didn't want curls in my hair. I just wanted them straight for a bit, and then the plan was to curl them up later. But I see here that I have a slight wave and I guess that's from my hair going around my head. I don't know if you can see that there. I have that wave there, which I didn't want. I wanted everything straight, but this side is better than this side, because this side has that wave there and this side is straight. So yeah, I'm not sure what happened there, but something must have happened with the wrap. And yeah, this is my hair. Still silky, still straight. Yeah, maybe next time I'll try to wear something else that doesn't have this puff, so you can actually see the hair laid behind my back. But yeah, I'll show you how this goes. Okay, bye for now. We'll continue this experiment. Hi guys, so same day as the earlier clip, I've just taken off my jumper and it's night time. I'm thinking of getting my hair prepped for bed and for tomorrow. So this is my hair. Yeah, I think that's a better view. And that wave is still there, not so much on this side, but well, maybe. Anyways, I'm going to try and get my hair prepped for tomorrow. I'm just going to tidy up my pattern because that one that I did was just a rough, messy pattern. I think that looks decent. Does it? It feels so weird having like so much access to my scalp. Like I haven't even had this much access, even with like the flattest slick down. I feel like I can feel my scalp and head. So since with the wrap I ended up having some slight curls, and yeah, the wrap stressed me out so much. I'm thinking of using flexi rods tonight.
Finally don't get up, finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a ride. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November.
And this is how I go to bed tonight. I'll wrap it with my scarf and we'll see how that looks tomorrow morning. I'll try to film it, we'll see, but I'm gonna be rushing for work, so maybe I'll just show like the results later, because this babe doesn't know when she's gonna wake up or whether I should be in a rush, which I usually am, but we'll see. Ciao! What the... So that's what we have. It's a very hurried video. I'm going to work. Bye guys. Hi guys, so continuing with the experiment, I'm just back to show you what my hair looks like after work. So remember, I had some curls this morning from using the Flexi Rod. Anyways, that's all gone. Curls gone, hair straight. And yeah, I just wanted to update you on how that experiment went. I think tonight again I'll be using the Flexi rods because it was much easier to do than wrapping my hair around my head. That whole thing was just a mess. Yeah, like I would wrap and it'll be fine, but like if I wanted to wrap this way, then yeah, I struggled with that bit there. So I'm going to use the Flexi Rod again. The Flexi Rod is not the most comfortable thing to sleep in, and I think I did the one here in front slightly too tight, so like this part of my head is actually, my scalp here is slightly aching. Yeah, but I think I'll do it again tonight and try to do it in a better way. And this is probably how I'll be maintaining the silk press until, yeah, I make my hair revert back. So I guess this may be the end of the experiment. I'm not sure what else I'll try, and I wish I actually filmed the process where I did the wrap. Maybe I'll try it again one other night. And yeah, but it just took me so long, and maybe I was just like overthinking it, and it shouldn't really be that difficult. But anyways, yeah, I'll end this video here. I'll see if this will carry on, but if not, if this is the end of the experiment, I'll see you guys again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, and bye. Baby, yeah. Baby girl, you got it. Yeah, yeah, yeah.